Alright. Hello everyone, this is Vintage Fire Alarm Guy. Today we're doing Fire Alarm Test 22. Yep, there's the wheel power supply. Yep, we're doing Simplex. Yep, you can see we got the T-bar up this time. So yeah, here's the key. Pretty cool, huh? It's a nice pull station though, I like it. So, anyway, let's get started. So, today we got for the pull station, we got my Simplex 4251S21. Yep. Conventional T-bar. So, yep. Going up the beam, we got my Simplex 4N39217 horn strobe. Yep. Here's that. Now, this is a 110 candela horn strobe right here. It was made in 1997, it looks like. Yep, so this is a nice horn strobe. Good thing I wanted to get another one of these mechanical horn strobes. Apparently, I don't know what is wrong with the strobe. The last couple takes I did with this, apparently the strobe just keeps not wanting to work. But then sometimes I keep doing this. Sometimes the strobe wants to freaking work. Which, I don't know what's wrong with this thing. So I guess if it doesn't flash, it's just not gonna flash. I don't know. I just don't know what else to do. I don't know if it's just a bad circuit board to the horn. I don't know how I'll have to fix this problem. Yeah. Anyway. Over here we have a newer electronic 4N3. It is a 4N3 9254 electronic horn strobe. It's a newer one that has the selectable strobe on it, where you can run the strobe as free run or smart sync, and it has the true alert horn behind it, which I think is pretty cool. Yep, so it's that. Now these replaces the earlier 4N3s, such as these, and then what's on the wall right over there. So that's the key. I'm gonna need that. All right. Without further ado, here he goes. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here he goes. This is 9217. I don't know, that for some reason 9217 is having some issues with the strobe for some reason. I don't know why it does that. 9254. Yeah, I don't know. Having some rare issue with the. I guess 9217 is having an issue with the strobe. Man. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. The 1917. This thing's having issues. I don't know. This thing's having some really serious problems. I don't know what the deal is with it. I don't know if there's something wrong with like the jumper wires on the strobe connected to the circuit board. I think something's wrong with the circuit board. Probably pretty much is what the problem is. Yeah, there's an issue with the circuit board. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to either fix this problem, or if it's something I can't really fix, I'm just gonna have to end up selling it, dude. I don't know. Here it goes. Oh, well, that's never mind. So, yep. So yep, that is the newer electronic 4L3 and the other mechanical 4L3 I own, the 1917. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do with the 1917. This thing's having some issues for some reason. I don't know why. So, I don't know. It looks like that thing got replaced. But yeah, so that was that. So, and also, next test, there's gonna be no pull station to the next test because apparently this thing it takes me too long to put all this stuff up, and then like. And plus when I added a pull station, it's just, you know, it takes too long to add this stuff. It took me actually like an hour last couple times I did these tests. Yeah, it just became a nightmare, so next test I'm not going to be adding a pull station. Except I will still add the notification appliances, so, and I'll still use that, so. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. You know, of course, comment and, of course, subscribe to the channel.